What's up, guys? I'm Alexa.
I'm Micah. I'm Angelica.
And I'm Cyril. And welcome to
Amax Vlog. So for today's video, we'll be making a video and that video is...
Vlogging While Making Our Final Project.
So today, we are on Google Meet to discuss the things that we need to do in order for us to come up with a plan for our final project in data structures and algorithm subject by our very own engineer Monira.
So that's it, guys. We are currently done discussing about our plan for our final project, and we've decided that we will create an animation about bubble sorting, in which we will be using the concept of Dora the Explorer.
And guys, we hope that you'll tune in till the end of our vlog so that you'll be able to see how well Cyril played the role of Dora.
Yeah, I will be playing as Dora, Angelica as Diego, Micah as Boots, Alexa as Swiper, and this is the editing process.
The long wait is over. We will now present to you our final project animation. Hope you will like it.
Are you ready to explore? Come on! Vamos arriba! All right! Dora the Explorer!
Hola, soy Dora.
I'm Diego.
And I'm Boots.
Help!
Oh no, it's Swiper.
Swiper,
Swiping.
No! Please, I need your help.
Oh, how can we help you, Swiper?
I need to know what bubble sort is so that I'll be able to answer my module.
We can teach you how.
Boots is right. We can help you out on that, Swiper.
Then, what is bubble sort?
Bubble sort is a simple sorting algorithm. The sorting algorithm is comparison-based algorithm in which each pair of adjacent elements is compared and the elements are swapped if they are not in order. This algorithm is not suitable for large data sets as its average and worst case complexity are of O n raised to 2 where n is the number of items.
Thanks, Dora. But, can you also teach me how bubble sort works?
Of course we can. How about you guys? Do you also want to learn how bubble sort works? Great! Then this is the graphical representation of a bubble sorting. We take an unsorted array for our example. Bubble sort takes O(n) squared time, so we're keeping it short and precise.
Bubble sort starts with the very first two elements, comparing them to check which one is greater.
In this case, value 33 is greater than 14, so it is already in sorted locations. Next, we compare 33 with 27.
We find that 27 is smaller than 33, and these two values must be swapped.
The new array should look like this.
Next, we compare 33 and 35. We find that both are in already sorted positions.
Then we move to the next two values, 35 and 10.
We know then that 10 is smaller than 35. Hence, they are not sorted.
We swap these values. We find that we have reached the end of the array. After one iteration, The array should look like this.
To be precise, we are now showing how an array should look like after each iteration. After the second iteration, it should look like this.
Notice that after each iteration, at least one value moves at the end.
And when there's no swap required, bubble sort learns that an array is completely sorted.
Do you understand it now, Swiper?
Yes!
How about you guys? Do you now understand how bubble sort works? Great! Now we'll introduce to you the two types of bubble sorting. Do you have any idea what are the two types of bubble sorting, Swiper?
I don't have any idea about that.
It's okay. What about you guys? Do you have any idea what are the two types of bubble sorting? Oh, don't worry. Bagpak will help us know what the two types of bubble sorting are.
Backpack, 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 yeah!
Do you see a phone? Do you see a book? Good! Then what kind of book can you see? That's right. This is the book of bubble sorting. Let's see what's inside. The two types of bubble sorting are ascending and descending.
Ooh, what happens in ascending bubble sort?
In ascending order, we try to arrange the data in a way such that each element is in some way smaller than its successor. This smaller than relation is an ordered relation over the set from which the data is taken. As a simple example, the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are sorted in ascending order. Here, the smaller than relation is actually the less than operator. As can be seen, 1 is less than 2, is less than 3, is less than 4, is less than 5.
Oh, what about the descending bubble sort?
Descending order is the exact opposite of ascending order. Given a data that is sorted in ascending order, reverse it and you will get the data in descending order.
Interesting. What else do I need to learn?
Now, we should look into some practical aspects of bubble sort. Do you know what it is?
No, what is it, Dora?
How about you? Do you know what it is? You're right. It is called algorithm.
Ooh, algorithm.
Yes, and in bubble sort algorithm, we use list in an array of n elements. We further assume that swap function swaps the value of the given array elements.
Begin bubble sort list. For all elements of list, if list I is greater than list I plus 1, swap list I plus 1. And if, and for, return list and bubble sort.
We observe in algorithm that bubble sort compares each pair of array element unless the whole array is completely sorted in an ascending order. This may cause a few complexity issues like what if the array needs no more swapping as all the elements are already ascending.
To ease out the issue, we use one flag variable swapped, which will help us see if any swap has happened or not. If no swap has occurred, example the array requires no more processing to be sorted, it will come out of the loop.
Now that we've already taught you about algorithm, we will jump to the next level. Do you want to know what's next?
Yes, I want to know what's next.
How about you guys? Do you want to jump to the next level? Great! The next thing that we'll discuss is about pseudocode.
Ooh, pseudocode. Tell me more. Tell me more.
Pseudocode of bubble sort algorithm can be written as follows in Java language.
This is a bubble sort program for sorting in an ascending order. And this is the algorithm of its code. For I is equals to 0 less than num minus 1, I plus plus. For j is equals to 0, j is less than num minus I minus 1, j plus plus. If rij is greater than rij plus 1, then temp is equals to rij, rij is equals to rij plus 1, rij plus 1 is equals to temp. This is the program output.
Meanwhile, in order to sort in descending order, we just need to change the logic. Array j is greater than array j plus 1 to array j is less than array j plus 1. This is a bubble sort program for sorting in descending order. And the algorithm of this code for descending order is for I is equal to 0, I is less than num minus 1, I plus plus. For j is equal to 0, j is less than num minus I minus 1, j plus plus. If array j is less than array j plus 1, temp is equal to array j is equal to array j plus 1, array j plus 1 is equals to temp. This is the program output. We enter 6 numbers of integers to sort. These are the 6 integers: 89, 12, 45, 9, 56, 102. This is the sorted list of integers in descending order: 102, 89, 56, 45, 12, and 9.
That's it! Have you learned something from us? Great! I hope you've also learned something from us, Swiper.
Yes, I did. Thank you so much, guys. I can't wait to create my own program. Hehe.
You're welcome, Swiper.
We're glad that we were able to help you, buddy. Till next time, Swiper.
Gracias!
Bye!
Hola, soy Dora.
I'm Diego.
And I'm Vits.
Hi, guys.
Oh no, it's Swiper.
Swiper no swiping. Swiper no swiping.
No, please. I want to share something.
What is it, Swiper?
Share it with us, buddy.
It's my very own bubble sort code using Java language.
Wow! Can you explain it to us?
Yes. So my program starts with the class bubble sort. It have the function void bubble sort with int arr that holds the integer array. In here, int n equals arr.length. This n holds the length of the array. For int I equals 0, I is less than n minus 1, I plus plus. And another for loop is the for loop of int j equals 0, j is less than n minus I minus 1, j plus plus. If arr, the array of j, is less than the array of j plus 1 is true, then the next program swaps the arr j plus 1 and the arr j. In here, we swap the values when the condition is only true. The next function is the function void print array int arr, or the array. Int n equals arr.length, or the length of the array. For int I equals 0, I is less than n plus plus I. We print the array I. The last function is the function public static void main string arguments. Bubble sort OB equals new bubble sort. OB is a variable that we will use to call the functions. Integer array equals to 64, 34, 25, 12, 22, 11, 90. ARR is the predefined array that we will sort. OB.BubbleSort ARR. In here, we call on the bubble sort function to sort the ARR array. System.out.println sorted array only prints the output sorted array. ob.print array ARR, which calls the print array function to print the array ARR. And then we have the output of sorted array 11, 12, 22, 25, 34, 64, and 90.
Great work, Swiper! We made it, guys! We were able to teach Swiper the bubble sort. Now he can answer his module.
We did it!
We did it! We did it! We did it! Yay! Bellissima, we did it! We went over the bridge and past the troll, yeah! We did it! We did it! We did it! Hooray! We went up the mountain to the little star home, yeah! We did it! We did it! We did it! We did it! Swiper hit little star in Tico's tree. He said, Salta, Tico, Salta, and we found him! Hooray! Yay! Woo! Hooray! We did it!
So that's it for today, guys. Hope you've learned something about bubble sort for our video animation.
And of course, please don't forget to vote our vlog so that we will get the 10% People Choice Award. Peace out!